Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Keurig Coffee Machines is probably one of the most popular and convenient ways to brew your morning cup, offering a wide variety of flavors and single-serve options that cater to every taste, making it an indispensable appliance for busy households and coffee aficionados alike who value speed, simplicity, and a consistently delicious brew without the fuss of traditional coffee makers. Number 5. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker. Enjoy your favorite coffee just the way you like it. Select from 3 popular brew sizes to get the perfect strength and taste every time. The generous 48-ounce water reservoir means you can brew multiple cups without constant refilling. It's also removable for easy refills, simplifying your morning. Save energy effortlessly. This coffee maker is programmed to automatically shut off after 2 hours of inactivity, giving you peace of mind. Making delicious coffee is incredibly simple. Just pop in a pod, choose your size, and enjoy a fresh, hot brew in minutes. Get started right away with included K-cup pods and water filters. Ensure every beverage tastes its best from the very first cup. Customize your brew with popular sizes like 6, 8, or 10 ounces. For a bolder flavor, select the 6-ounce option. What we like? This machine offers multiple brew sizes, perfect for any coffee lover. Its large reservoir means fewer refills, simplifying your morning. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss coffee maker for daily use, this is a great choice. What people say. The Keurig K-Mini Plus is incredibly compact, making it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. It brews a delicious cup of coffee quickly and efficiently, with multiple brew size options. The reusable filter allows you to use your own ground coffee, which is a great money saver and reduces waste. Number 4. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. This coffee maker is less than 5 inches wide, making it perfect for small spaces. It's designed to fit almost anywhere in your home. You can brew any cup size you desire, from 6 to 12 ounces, using your favorite K-cup pods. Enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Simply add fresh water for each brew. This ensures you always get the freshest possible cup of coffee. Get your delicious coffee made in just minutes. It's the perfect way to start your day quickly. It features convenient cord storage for easy transport and to keep your countertops tidy. Say goodbye to messy cords. The removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. It also holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. This appliance has an auto-off feature that turns it off 90 seconds after your last brew. This helps to save energy and reduce your electricity bill. What we like? This brewer is incredibly compact, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. It brews 1 cup at a time, ensuring freshness. If you have limited counter space or need a quick, single serving, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. This machine brews instantly, as fast as our big Keurig in the kitchen. And no splatter. Clean as a whistle. I was also pleasantly surprised to feel how heavy the machine is. This thing has sufficient heft to it, looks great on our coffee bar cabinet, makes coffee in a snap, and I think it even has an auto-off after brewing. The water heats incredibly fast, in about 10 seconds. And then takes a minute to complete the brew. It's tiny yet mighty, replacing an older Keurig that had the reservoir and noisy pump. Number 3. K&J 12-pack Keurig Filter Replacement. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with nearly all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. Our filters feature a micromesh material that keeps the charcoal securely inside. This prevents any clogging, ensuring a smooth brewing experience every time. These activated charcoal filters work to remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors. Experience the best-tasting cup of coffee right in your own home. We are committed to reducing waste. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging and are individually sealed for optimal protection. K&J offers the most effective filters available. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is ready to assist you. What we like? These filters are designed to enhance the taste of your coffee by removing impurities. They are also eco-friendly, reducing waste. If you want to ensure the best flavor from your existing brewer and are looking for a sustainable option, these filters are a must-have. What people say. The perfect fit feature is a game changer. They are universally compatible with a wide range of Keurig machines, including both the smart and traditional brewer groups, K-Duo and K-Slim series, and even K-Express models. The micro-mesh material of these filters is a standout. It keeps the charcoal inside, preventing any clogging in my coffee maker, which is a relief for any regular Keurig user. The improvement in coffee flavor is noticeable. It's like having a professional barista in my kitchen. These filters efficiently remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. The result is a consistently great-tasting cup of coffee that rivals any high-end cafe brew. Fits perfect into my Keurig. I taste a difference in the cleanliness of my water and fresh coffee. Super easy to use and set it up. This is a quality item and you will struggle to find a similar quality and value out there. Number 2. Keurig K-Cafe Special Edition Coffee Maker. Enjoy your favorite K-Cup pods as regular coffee, or craft delicious lattes and cappuccinos. Simply press the shot button to brew a concentrated coffee shot for your specialty drinks. It includes a dishwasher-safe milk frother that works with fresh milk, including skim, soy, and almond. It even has a cold setting for cold frothed milk. Want a bolder taste? You can increase the strength and bold flavor of your coffee with the strong brew feature. Choose from 4 convenient brew sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. This ensures you get the perfect amount every time. Making your favorite beverages is easy. Just insert a K-Cup pod and use the simple button controls to brew coffee or craft hot or iced lattes and cappuccinos. The large 60-ounce water reservoir lets you brew up to 6 cups before needing a refill. This saves you time and simplifies your morning routine. What we like? This machine goes beyond basic coffee, allowing you to create delicious lattes and cappuccinos. The included frother is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you enjoy specialty coffee drinks at home and want a versatile brewer that can do it all, this is the one for you. What people say. The Keurig K-Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee maker offers versatile brewing options, including espresso shots, cappuccinos, and lattes, with a built-in milk frother and adjustable strength settings. The built-in milk frother heats and froths milk to your desired consistency, accommodating various milk types for a professional cafe-quality finish. This coffee maker is compatible with all Keurig K-Cup pods and offers multiple brew sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces, allowing for customized beverages. Number 1. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Keep your coffee machine in top condition with our powerful cleaning tablets. They are designed to effectively remove scale and residue. These descaling tabs are compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. Enjoy a perfect brew every time, no matter your machine. Using them is simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions for your specific coffee maker, and let them do the work. Regular descaling with these tablets helps maintain the optimal performance of your machine. This ensures your coffee always tastes its best. This pack contains 24 tablets, providing multiple cleaning cycles. It's an economical way to ensure your coffee maker stays clean and efficient. Whether you prefer drip coffee or espresso, these tablets are suitable for both. They effectively decale and clean all types of coffee makers. What we like? These tablets are essential for maintaining your coffee maker's performance and taste. They effectively remove mineral buildup and scale. If you want to keep your brewer running smoothly and ensure every cup tastes its best, regular descaling with these tablets is highly recommended. What people say. These tablets make it really easy to decale and maintain the coffee machine. Just drop one in and run the cleaning cycle. It helps keep the machine running smoothly and the coffee tasting the way it should. Works as advertised. Much easier to use and clean Keurig over other descaling methods. These coffee descaler tablets are easy to use and make it easier to clean our coffee machine. Each time. Give the coffee a taste of freshness each time we use them. It is so much easier than the old way of using vinegar and having to flush that smell out of the coffee pot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.